Hello everyone, this is Grace Ofure, your real estate investment expert. And guess what? It is 5 months. 5 months already gone in this beautiful year. And a lot of people have said to me, Grace, I have not been able to invest in real estate. I know that real estate is my guaranteed way to financial freedom, but I have not been able to invest. And I always say to you that investment is not how much you have in your pocket. It is what you think in your mind. So for you to be able to invest in real estate, you need to first of all have a different mindset by saying to yourself, I am going to invest in this year. I'll give you a quick story of what somebody did. It was a personal mentorship program, and I'm giving it to you for free. He wanted to invest. He didn't have money, but he had a little money. And I said, okay, you know what? Start to save with me. Now you are thinking of buying a land. Just save for investment. You know that with me, your money will not be missing. Yes, your money is safe with me. And he started saving. In less than 3 months, he attracted tens of millions. Why? Because in his mindset, he has started putting in the seed for him to buy a real estate investment. And because he started, when you sow a seed, it will bring forth a harvest. So it was a seed of his mind. And as he began to sow that seed, the law of nature attracted all that he needed. He just stumbled into a business. And guess what? He made some money. And because he has put his mind on real estate, he channeled the money into real estate investment. You can be that person now. So why don't you start today? 5 months is gone. In the next 7 months, you can do something. And do something I see. Thank you, and God bless you.